Yeah, we're working on this clutch, on this, it is a tata bus. Clutch, you see the gearbox is a tata bus. We remove the flywheel, we take it to tunnel, we start the flywheel. But one thing that Tata do in this place, which is not good, is this cross member they put downside. You see, this gearbox now cannot go down. If you want it to go down, you have to remove the cross member, and the cross member is been ribbit. You see, the cross member is ribbit. So now I've already removed the tie rod, the long tie rod. Still, we still have a difficulty for this thing to go down. Okay, so and it cannot come up. It cannot come up because of the tools we are using. So we're going to work it like that. So I'm fixing this one. We change the old one. The problem for this gear was they changed it after 1 month, and we find out that this rubber here, you see, this is this one is coming here. This bearing. Okay. See, this is how it works. I have two. This is for the floor booster, and this one is for this place. It's just a spare for this place. You see it? It's going to come inside. When it's working, it will push inside. But I'm going to push it when I fix it. Okay, and this one is coming here. I've changed the old one. What is the old one? Okay, I'm fixing it now. So we fixed here. Okay, this is it. So the other side. This one is like this only. And this one is going to go at the back. So I counted it before I remove it. So I'm going to do adjustment. Straight inside, straight. So this is the alignment. It's exactly. It's okay like this for me. Okay, I can tighten this one now. For me, it's okay. What I did, I counted it. Before I remove, I count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is exactly how I fix it. You can change it new. I fix new. You see? The new road. Okay, this is the old one. It's 18 from here. You should see it's 18. So I removed it and I fixed the new one. Okay, this is the new. And this is the old. Remove it. It's 18. See? So I'll remove this one. Fix the new one. Fix all that. Fix the adjustment. Before I remove it, I count how many threads is outside. So the same way I'm going to fix it. That one to balance the alignment. Okay. That's it. Okay. I'll finish fixing it. Full tight. Complete. I counted it was 5 and I fixed it when it was 5. See? Inside. So So, and the discs, fixing the discs now. And this is the plate. There is no space. They didn't keep space for each truck. I don't mind. They want the mechanic to suffer, I don't understand. Because there is no space. Maybe they want us to move the engine before we can change clutch plates. So this is it. Fixing it now.